Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Antoinette. For today's video, I have an unboxing and it's just a mini unboxing of the Bandeau that I chose for my medium cocoa handle, and I'm going to show you on how I'm going to accessorize my cocoa handle. I'm excited to show you, but before I get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos about handbag reviews, I do unboxing as well as do comparison videos, and also update you for the upcoming collection. So if you're into that kind of video, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. But before I get into the unboxing, let me share with you this beautiful rose that is behind me. And this one is the Rose Forever. Look how pretty it is, and let me give you a close-up look of this rose. This one is really luxurious, and this rose is not artificial. This is not fake, but this is preserved. And this one is Rose Forever New York. I chose the pink because I love pink roses, and this one is preserved roses, meaning to say these are real roses that they preserve to last for a year. So if you're looking into something that you want to decorate like what I did, or just a display in your house, or if you are looking to give like a nice present to your significant other, then really you wanted to consider the Rose Forever. It's really beautiful and it has a rose smell to it. However, that rose smell is not its real smell. It's a fragrance that they add, or they handpick some beautiful roses and they preserve it and they carefully place it in this box. So this rose is perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversary, Mother's Day, and any occasion that you just feel like giving that special someone some nice roses, then this one would be a perfect gift. And to be honest, I've been wanting to get one for so long, and they have so many color choices that you could choose, and the best part is this one will last for a year. So compared to the roses that you get from the flower shop that would only maybe last you like a week, and you'll spend like $50 to $80 for those arrangement, this one would last you a year. And I'll link it down below as far as their website and how you order them. And I chose the black hat box, and they also have the clear plastic, and they have different sizes, they have different style. They have the round hat box as well as the clear plastic one. So it's it's up to you as far as what you really want for your rose. If you want to buy it for yourself, again, if you want to buy it for that special someone, then I highly recommend this Rose Forever. I also have a special discount code. I'll link it down below so you'll take advantage of this special. And so yeah, so this one is 16 roses, and I love the feel of it. It really feels like real roses. Highly recommend this Rose Forever, and check out their website. All right, so let me share with you now my Bandeau that I chose for my cocoa handle. And before I got this, I asked my essay what does she think is the best Bandeau for a black cocoa handle. As you can see that this cocoa handle is just really plain black. So I wanted to add a little bit of character, and the Bandeau is also good if you have a lighter color cocoa handle that you don't want to get the handle dirty. So let me show you what I got, and show you also how I wrap the handle with this Bandeau. And my essay is really sweet. She really chose one that would really match this cocoa handle. So here it is. So this one is, of course, if you guys know about the Bandeau from Chanel, they're made of silk, and it is reversible. So this side is beige and black, and let me give you a close-up look. It has the Chanel logo, and it has that camellia flower on the back. So that's how it looks like. And on the back, on the other side, it's just black and white, and it has that. And I'll do another video in the future as far as different ways that you're going to use your Bandeau, but this, today I'm just going to show you how I'm going to use it on my cocoa handle. So yeah, so there it is, my Bandeau that I'm going to be wrapping my cocoa handle. So that is all for today. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And also you could follow me on Instagram at always Antoinette. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and I'll see you soon.